Kuznecova Institute for Culture, Art and Education is a non-profit and non-governmental cultural organization in Slovenia, which serves as an institutional frame for progressive venues such as CAPITALIZM Gallery for Contemporary Investigative Arts, and Rampa, Biotechna and Vivarium Laboratories, where artistic research of living systems is facilitated, and relations between society, science, technology and art are being reconsidered. Creatures, Creative Practices for Transformational Futures is an European Union's Horizon 2020 research and innovation program-supported project that promotes action for social and ecological sustainability by identifying those aspects of creative practices that contribute most effectively to positive social transformation. Among engagement events within Creatures, the series of experimental productions, XPs, are set up as temporary co-creative spaces that mobilize specific forms of artistic knowledge and provide collaborative environments for multi-stakeholder interaction to support transformation processes. The MyCoBiont XP consisted of events and activities where participants learned about mycelia and provoked reflective discussions about the more than human entanglements surrounding the life of fungi, and the potential of fungi as a climate-friendly biomaterial on one side, and as significant others, inhabiting our worlds, on the other side. At the Mycelium Cultivation Workshop with Gobniak Initiative, we learned about how to grow fresh mushroom and make building material out of fungi, getting to know the life cycle of fungi, the basics of their nutrition and reproduction, and exploring future potential uses as food, packaging and more. The Radio Mycelium Workshop with Martin House focused on mycelia's properties and abilities for processing and modifying signals. We built radio transmitters and receivers, and interfaced them with examples of various mycelium and mushrooms, learning about interspecies communication between humans, mycelium, and their environments, with a special emphasis on deep space radio signals. At Mary Magic's Becoming with Fungi workshop, we interacted with a species of oyster mushroom, in order to imagine new cross-species toxic entanglements, by creating a xenoestrogen cocktail from synthetic hormones, extracted from ourselves and household and cosmetic products, feeding it to mushrooms, and observing how the latter respond to the toxic residues of human industrial capitalism. Addressing mycelia from an artistic perspective, Teresa Schubert's video installation, Sound for Fungi, Homage to Indeterminacy, offered insights into the complexity of the subterranean network of microbes and mycelia, revealing fragile topologies through an interactive video which showed three-dimensional environment transitions between macro and cellular perspectives. Taro Kanop and a group of researchers at Kuznecova established a series of techno-organic hybrid environments, consisting of organic and inorganic materials, using the remains from installations that the artists have left behind. In the week leading to an exhibition, Taro and the participants of the MyCoBiont research and creative workshops constructed enclosed ecosystems that have become a part of a permanent setup at Kuznecova, and enable continuous observation, research, and creation of new combinations in the years to come.